In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11 Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button on your taskbar, then select the Settings gear icon to open your system settings. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Personalization. This is where you can control how your Windows interface looks and feels. Next, in the main window, click on Colors. At the top of this section, you'll see a drop-down labeled Choose Your Mode. Click on it and select Dark. As soon as you do this, Windows will instantly switch to dark mode across the system, including menus, settings, and supported apps. And this helps reduce eye strain, especially in low-light environments. If you prefer a mix of light and dark, you can click the same drop-down again and choose Custom. This gives you more control. Set. Choose your default Windows mode to dark to keep elements like the taskbar and start menu dark, and set. Choose your default app mode to light if you still want apps to appear in light mode. This combination is useful if you like contrast while keeping the system interface easier on the eyes. Scroll down a bit further and you'll find the accent color section. Here you can pick a color that highlights certain elements like buttons and active windows. Choose a color that stands out nicely against the dark background to improve visibility and make your setup look more personalized. Once you're done, you can simply close the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically. If you want an even deeper dark experience, go back to Settings, then navigate to Accessibility and select Contrast Themes. From here, choose the night sky theme, and this option uses a true black background instead of the default dark gray, which can be especially helpful for visibility and may even help save battery on devices with OLED screens. Wait a moment while it loads and applies. Once applied, you'll immediately see the changes across your workspace. If you ever want to switch back, just go to the Contrast Themes dropdown and select None, and your display will return to normal. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.